Are you ready for reaction time? What's up, family? Welcome back. I ain't see this one. We got Hunger Games. The Hunger Games Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes reveal. Uh-oh, let's get into it. I watched all the Hunger Games, so let's check out the little teaser. Let's go. You're invited. To return to the games. Oh, wow. Who is a songbird? Snake. November 17th. Oh, wow. In the next year. Wow. Okay. Well, I've seen all the movies, so I know this is definitely going to be good. What I did hear was, I don't know if it's true, I got to correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it takes place before the movies we seen. When, I can't remember old white guy is can't think his name. I love his acting. Y'all got to forgive me. Y'all know what I'm talking about. He's younger. So tell me if that's right. I'll see you next one. Peace.